In this tutorial, we will learn to count the number of bacterial colonies using ImageJ software. Let us drag and drop the image of our interest into the ImageJ software. First, change the image type to 8-bit. Next, adjust the threshold until all the foreground is red in color with a dark background. Now, all the colonies are red in color. Check on the dark background, do not reset range, and keep the color as red. Click Apply to preserve the settings. Click on Process, Binary, and Make Binary. Again, click on Process, Binary, and Watershed. At this point, all the colonies are separated from one another. Click on Analyze Particles and adjust the size from 50 to 50,000 pixels square. The circularity can be kept at 0.7 to 1. Change the Show option to Outlines. Check on the following options: Display Results, Summarize, and Exclude on Edges. And then click OK. The results are displayed. However, some areas are counted that are outside the Petri dish, for example, in these areas. Therefore, we may have to reconsider and adjust the size selection. Let us keep the size from 200 to 50,000. Now, we have the result without non-specific colony counting. The total number of colonies counted by the ImageJ software is 1,689. It also lists the entire colony numbers with their particular area size. Circles in this image represents a particular bacterial colony assigned with a number. For instance, this bacterial colony has been assigned with the number 1257. We can find the details of this bacterial colony from the chart that has an area of 1696 pixels square. In another instance, this bacterial colony is numbered as 618, and it has an area size smaller than the one before. In this way, all the bacterial colonies can be measured for the size apart from the total colony count. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Stay tuned for more such videos by subscribing to this channel.